Hey guys, Tim here. Welcome back to Montana. It's a little windy, so I'm in the Jeep. But let's take a look at this Milwaukee Neck Light. It's a weird name, neck light, but you can put it around your neck, go on your head. They say 400 lumens, comes with a battery. I got this for $79.99. I bought it locally, but I'll give you a link below that seems to be the same price. So we got some paperwork. We got a little handy snacks tray and nice little branded USB cable. USB-A to USB-C. It'd be nice if it was C to C. And then we got our flashlight. Let's see if there's any charge in it. Yeah, there's charge. Okay. Cool. USB port there. Does it give battery status indicator anywhere? Battery status indicator, yellow 10 to 49%. That's pretty vague, but at least we know. There's two modes. High and low. They don't look very different on camera or in reality. We'll see how it looks actually doing some work. These are pretty smooth. This feels pretty sturdy. It just feels like typical Milwaukee plastic. Pretty quality. We'll see how it feels in the head. And I really don't need to get to the battery right now, so I'm not going to open it. Looks like I've only got USB-C to C out here, so we're just going to use this charger. Red pulsing 0 to 49%. So it'll go red, and it'll go yellow and then green when it's above 99%. I'm gonna be doing a little work today on the Suburban and use it out, and I'll let you know my impressions. Just went inside to get changed, and it's flashing yellow, so it's already charging. I think Milwaukee needs to hire me for some user experience because the charging color and the battery remaining colors and percentages don't match up. It's 10 to 49, 0 to 49, 50 to 100. 50 to 99, it should be the same. So when I look at it, I see yellow, I know, okay. I don't have to think yellow for charging and yellow for discharging, but anyway. Oh, immediately with this neck light on my head, way better. All right, so that's nothing. And it looks better on camera that doesn't real life. That's regular. High is not that much brighter, to be honest with you, and between 2.5 hours and 8 hours. Low seems fine, I mean, slipping off my head. I'm upside down though, but. Let's see how it works on my neck. Even with the beard, it works, so you get a nice little pattern for my beard. But it's staying on my neck now. Oh, this is kind of good. I can get used to this. On low, they got a little warm. I wouldn't say hot, but nice neck warmer in the cold weather. Well, I mean, for having a battery on your neck, it's pretty good. So I really like them after the first use. I think they'll come super handy. We'll see if the price point is really worth it. I just wanted to buy once, cry once, sold myself on them. But that being said, if you liked the video, if it helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and maybe I'll give an update down the road.